How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another part to install on the 05 LLY today. I'm sorry for the background here. My landlord is actually blocking out some wood pallets here, so apologize for his truck and everything else. But before we jump into this install, hit the like, subscribe if you're new. Let me know what other truck installs you would like to see on my new 05 LLY. If you haven't seen the day of when I first got this truck, I will leave a video in the top corner right here. Without being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so in here we have new headlights that we're going to be replacing the stock headlights with over here. In here we have Spider headlights, and I'll leave a link in the description, like I said, where I bought these headlights from, and also the link in the description to Spiders as well. I believe Spiders does the same: headlights, tail lights, third brake lights, whatever lighting accessories you'd like for your car, your truck. They don't just do trucks, like I said, they also do cars, so be sure to go check out Spider. And like I said, links will be in the description of where I bought this set of tail lights for my truck, and also the link to Spiders will be in the description as well, so you can browse what lighting you'd like for your car or your truck. For right now, let's get into installing. So just like that, 2 screws come out. Pretty simple. And then it's just a matter of unplugging these lights right here. Alright guys, so in here we just had to pop out the bulbs because there are tabs in here that you just plug them into. Got the bulbs out here for the direction and the brake light. Actually looks pretty nice. We're gonna see if we have a screw for that bottom part. Actually, hold on a sec. So I mean, yes, still have to find a screw here, and this screw really doesn't fit in here. I'm probably gonna do that another day, but for right now, we're just gonna see if these lights actually work. So bear with me for a sec. All right, let's go see if these lights actually work. Alright guys, actually went to the hardware store, got a new screw here, as you can see, and then also got this screw replaced as well. Hopefully the lights still work. We're just gonna double check right now. Excuse me, again, we're just gonna double check to see if they work. Hopefully I didn't crack anything. So let's just double check with everything right now. Alright guys, back in the office right now. I hope everybody enjoyed that install. It seems like though every install that I have been doing, there seems to be something that goes wrong. Either I'm losing screws, something's missing, whatever the case may be. This one went better than the other because at least the lights fully work, and I'm happy about that. Now I do have other parts that had come in the mail at my house. I did get headlights for the truck, and I also got my cold air intake just recently. Now I don't want to do the headlights just yet because I don't have all the right bulbs. I only have the low beam bulbs that came with my headlights, and I do want to buy also my high beam headlights and also the blinkers as well. The cold air intake might be the next install I do, or if my new key fob comes in the mail before next week, that might be the next upload. But let me know down in the comments what you guys want me to do next. That's up to you guys, what you think I should do on this truck. Also, I might do the cab lights next. That could be the next one. That's also at my house as well. We may never know. But let me know down in the comments what you think I should do next on the truck. Other than that, give the video a like, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.